We all know the importance of thumbnails, right? They are the first thing that your audience, your potential audience sees when they're scrolling. So you want your thumbnails to be impactful. You want them to tell a story, create curiosity, and allow the person that's scrolling to stop the scroll, click on this video because it's going to be helpful. And the next, you're going to make sure your title describes it well. We don't want clickbait. We're not talking about clickbait now. We're talking about having a thumbnail that tells a story and depicts curiosity. That the person that is about to watch will want to see what's behind the thumbnail. So I am using a tool. I use a tool called VidIQ. You probably heard about it online, and it has so many different features that will help you to create a winning thumbnail, a clickable thumbnail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my laptop and share my screen with you to discuss a feature I just found out about. And you don't want to do this YouTube thing alone by yourself. You need tools. You need help. You need people that already know what they're doing, and you need everything that that's available. Rather, I'm getting so passionate about this, but you need whatever that's out there, the tools, the features of the tools to get you leveled up, to get people to watch your videos. So we're going to talk about this new feature. So stay tuned. You don't want to go anywhere. Let's go. Let's dive right in. Okay, we're going to use the optimize feature. So let's say you created your video, you created your thumbnail, you upload the video. Once you're connected, once you have connected your channel to VidIQ, then you can come back to this space, the optimize space, and you can get a score for your video, for your thumbnails. Hold on, let me scroll down. All right, so these are all my thumbnails and the videos that I've done. For this one, I didn't even know I got that score. I got a 98 for this one, which is pretty good. I haven't checked these two yet, but I think I got a low score for this one. And I created this video in Canva, I think it is. So what I did was I went to I used this smart tool, this smart thumbnail builder, to create 3 different thumbnails that VidIQ allowed me to do. And so I downloaded them to my I downloaded them to my computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the thumbnail area here, and I'm going to upload them to see what scores they get. Hold on a second here. Let's reset the screen. It's too large. Okay, here we go. Let's scroll down. So right now it has a 60%, and I think it looks okay. It's telling the story about the airport security and what you have to go through. But I guess VidIQ thinks that it's probably too crowded, maybe. So I just downloaded it. Where is it? Hold on a second here. I downloaded 3 of them because it allows you 3 each time. Oh, here we go. All right, let's see what score this one gets. Breeze through security. VidIQ created this and they gave it as 50%. So let's go to the other one. Hold on. The other one got a 50% too. And let's go to the last one. Hopefully I'll get a better score. 77% is better, but it's still not as good as I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Smart Builder and see if it can create me some new thumbnails that can do better. So the point is that you have this feature in VidIQ that you can use to create thumbnails that VidIQ itself tells you whether it will do good or not. This one is Packracker Pro. The video has nothing to do with Packracker Pro. This one says skip the stress. So I'm going to download this one. Security made easy. I'm not too sure about that, but here's what I'm going to do. VidIQ also gives you the opportunity to create a prompt right here to tell the AI what you want created. So I am going to say, let's see, create a thumbnail that depicts frustrated passengers in the airport security line. And what should I say now? And there are people taking off shoes. Others are putting their items in the bin on the conveyor belt. TSA officers are standing around to make sure everything is fine. On the thumbnail, use this overlay text in large, bold, white font. Skip best choice. Something like that. Let's see what it produces. And I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to kind of give you a feel and show you, because when you see something done, you'll be better able to do it than somebody telling you. All right, I think this is a little better. Yeah. Let's scroll down, skip the stress. Yes, this is so much better because it's a bunch of confusion. And so let me download it. The next one, let's see what the next one looks like. Yes, the next one is too. Yeah. Filter. Save. Skip the stress. Okay, and I save that. I need to get back to VidIQ. Where did I do this? Let's get back to the screen to see the third one. I don't know where VidIQ took me just now. So here, we're just going to download this one because it seems the same. All right, so let's go back to optimize now. And let's upload these three that it just gave me using the prompt. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is it right here. This is what we're trying to change. And let's scroll down. Okay, so let's upload it now. Upload the first one, skip the stress. Let's see, come on. Oh, 80%. We're getting better. 80%. I'm just trying to show you the process. And this process is faster than creating a thumbnail from scratch over at Canva. 86. You see, we're getting better. Let's try the last one. I think it was 4 of them. Oh yeah, it was 4 of them because this is what VidIQ had created before I put in the prompt. 95%. We are getting better. Now the last one. The last one, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 50%. Oh, that was the last one. That was 1, 2. Oh, here we go. Here it is. I forgot I saved it. All right, so we're going to use this one. We are going to save it. I need to authorize YouTube to go to my account. So let's go through. I haven't used this in a few days. So when you do that, they want you to make sure it's you, which is a good thing. Okay, so I edited a thumbnail that had gotten 60%, and I edited it and got it to 95%. Let's save it now. This is not really telling the story, you know. This is not telling the story because this is showing me that it's a boarding pass. You know, when you go to the airport and you go to the machines to do the boarding pass, I can use this, but in another video. So let's just move on. I'm just going to keep it 86% on this one. 86%. Yeah. I'm going to save this one. And then later on, I can come back and work on it and see if I can get one, you know, if I can get one with 95%. But do you see what I'm saying? It works because it helps you to see, to get a second opinion, so to speak, on what your thumbnails are gonna, well, how people see your thumbnails. And I have another one. I need to fix this one, but I'll do that separate and apart from the video. But what I'm saying is that this tool, VidIQ, has a lot of features that you can use to make your videos better. Go ahead and go watch my thumbnail playlist, and you will see how I highlight different features in VidIQ, including this one, but also that thumbnail feature I just used to edit my thumbnails. All right. Thank you so much for having me share my screen with you and being a part of my YouTube family. And because you've stayed this long, I have a gift for you. Well, two gifts. One is my free video planning guide, and the other is my free viral video cheat sheet. Both links are in the description. And also, if you want to grow your channel, automate your channel, I do have an ebook, two ebooks. One is the YouTube Creator Starter Program, and the other is how to create a successful faceless, how to start a successful faceless channel. And I can attest to that because this channel right here, my travel channel, is faceless, and I've grown it to over 47,700 subscribers so far in less than a year. All right. And I really hope you found value in this. Go ahead and go get VidIQ, because go sign up for it, because don't sleep on it, because it will help you to change your YouTube game and help you to get more views, better thumbnails, better titles, description, tags, and all of that stuff. Go get VidIQ, go sign up for it, because it has been a game changer for me. Thank you so much. I'm your host, Cheryl. And if you are so inclined and you want to support my channel, go ahead and click that super thanks button. It's right beside the remix button below the video. I would appreciate it. And I would thank you in advance also for it. I'll see you next time. Thank you for stopping by and sticking around. Okay? I'm your host, Cheryl, saying bye, but only for now. See you soon. Take care.